otya?
Sheebah yawangudde.
Oliko okushuwa yawangudde?
Ndiko nkushuwa nganze. Ze wombuuza nganze. Sheebah yawangudde.
Kye kyamuletedde okuwangula buntu kyo byogamba nti bino byaletedde Sheebah okuwangula?
Sheebah muyimbi mulungi first of all. Alina ennyimba nyingi hit songs. Omanyi waliwo okugamba nti alina ennyimba nyingi. Alina ennyimba nyingi hit songs. Saagala kumwogerako bingi ebisigadde byeyogere.
Tufunye katukubuulize ddala. Oli otya?
Ndi bulungi. Ndi kiriya.
Okay. Tulina gundi battle yabadde over the weekend. Twali kusuubira okuba ng'ogenda performinga ne Sheebah kuba muyina oluyimba. Muyina n'olupero mwafulumiza. Ki ekyabadde? What was?
I was booked for a tour in North Uganda. Not one, not two, not three, actually 4 shows. So I had about 4 shows in North Uganda, so I couldn't make it. Singa yabadde show ngemu nandibadde banji cancelling oba nenji postponing and then ina show weekend number yonanga siriwo ate nga ndi wala. Yeah.
Okusinza ku byabaddewo gwe walabye otya?
Sheebah yawangudde.
Oliko okushuwa yawangudde?
Ndiko nkushuwa nganze. Ze wombuuza nganze. Sheebah yawangudde.
Kye kyamuletedde okuwangula buntu kyo byogamba nti bino byaletedde Sheebah okuwangula?
Sheebah muyimbi mulungi first of all. Alina ennyimba nyingi hit songs. Omanyi waliwo okugamba nti alina ennyimba nyingi. Alina ennyimba nyingi hit songs. Saagala kumwogerako bingi ebisigadde byeyogerera.
Oba okyogera olw'okuba muyina ennyimba?
Sheebah muyimbi mulungi.
Okusinga si? N'okuba live?
Kyonna kye kiri eyawangudde.
Annaye oli mukwano nnyo gwa Spice ne Roger tubalaba nnyo olunaku kulabako ng'oli naye ekikomando. Nali simanyi nti mwe muli ebikomando.
Tebiina buzibu nze nva mu ghetto.
Naye
enva wano ngenda kukirya.
Okiryamu?
Nkirya nnyo.
Naye walafiiki nnyo. Oli ekyamagye ameka?
Amagye 2.
Oli amatono.
Ndi muto.
Fiika olina emyaka emeka?
Ndi muto ky'oba omanya. Just ndi mubezi wakabi.
Olirako nyanya mbisi oba bazisiikiramu?
Nyanya mbisi.
Ekikomando kyo? Ekikomando kirya?
Ekikomando nkirya. Ankikuddiremu. Olulyo badde ku Rolex.
Ebigambo bingi bivuddeyo olunaku lwaliro byetoololerako abo ababiri. Buli omu ayomba, buli muyimbi avaayamu. Gwe nga mukwano gwabwe tutangaazeemukko Roger ne Spice. Kano olunaku lwaliro tuvudde Jostede ng'ayomba nti balina empisa embi. Luli twalaba Saha ng'ayomba. Olulala ne tulaba Green Daddy. Ate gwe tukulaba bubabeeramu nnyo.
Nze sinayomba nti.
Twebuliza abantu babuulireko gwe bali bati.
Ate nze ntandika okwogera ku bantu ku mpewo. Tekijja kusoboka ekyo.
Tulinde lulwo?
Linda lwe naavaayo nga nange nina olwange nange nja kuvaayo ndwogere naye siruyina for now.
Tulusuubire?
Simanyi.
Amina.
So the next
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How do you find the place today?
The place is amazing. I love the music and the vibe.
Well, let's talk about fashion. Tonight, you out like when they say people are out, you're out.
Thank you for the compliment. With my fashion, this is from Millennium Vibes, my shoes and the outfits. Yeah, and they have good clothes. I would recommend anyone to go there and get some cool clothes.
So well, let's talk about what you're putting on. What made you blend like this? What made you put on like this?
I wanted to bring out African culture and yeah, because there is the natural hair, there is the black, there is the red, like brotherhood and stuff, you know. I just wanted to fit in because blankets and wine, it's all about being comfortable and just smart in your own way.
Let's talk about the money. How much are we putting on here? Let's start with a shoe.
Okay, with the shoe it was 200. I think you know Millennium Vibes, though it's for the girls, they know. Then the dress it was 100. Then the jacket 50. So this is 200 with the dress and the shoes. Then the shoes it's 400. Yeah.
And then the
accessories, I think let's say 600 altogether. Then the styling, the glasses, whatever. Yeah.
So all around here, how much dollars are we talking about?
Not really dollars. I'm just a comfortable girl in around 600.
Okay. Many have reasons why they come to Blankets and Wines. What's your main reason? Is it kwetega? Is it showing off what you're putting on?
Me, my main theme is to get to maybe I love this music, this cool music, then to interact with people, learn different things because we get to meet a lot of people here. Yeah, so it's good.
I love the fashion around.
Yeah, the fashion is good. People are easy, people are in their chills, like in their vibes, and that's all about Blankets and Wine. Feeling at home and feeling comfortable. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
So make sure you grab yourself a bucket of we have to say a big thank you to some big brands, Flexi Cake.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Welcome to Blankets.
Thank you.
Which time is it? Is this your first time?
No, it's my second time.
Is it the first time?
It's my first time. Yeah.
Okay, let's first go with what's the experience?
I haven't seen something new yet, but the thing is nice.
Let's talk about fashion.
Things are good. Guys are smart. Girls know how to style. Like girls are styled up. Yeah.
It's your second time. So today, how is the experience so far?
I've just arrived and the vibe is cool. I'm hoping to see new things this time.
Let's talk about the attire you're putting on. Let's start from the shoes. What's this you're putting on?
I don't know, is it cowgirl style? I can say yeah.
How much are we talking about here? Let's start with the shoes.
You know, I'm in fashion and design. I own a boutique, so I cannot really tell you how much because I do wholesale. But what I can say is, it's expensive.
It's expensive?
Yeah.
Like roughly, how much are we talking?
Can you talk about 500?
Dollars?
No, 1,000 Ugandan shillings. Because I am in business. So that's what I can say. But if I'm selling it to someone, it can even be worth more than that. Yeah.
So, Motokubako.
Of course, this is business. No one at Fonako.
Okay. So let's talk about what you're putting on today.
I'm just let me call it a freestyle. Yeah, I'm just free. Yeah, feeling myself. Yeah.
Okay. Everyone has a reason why attends Blankets and Wines. Are you here for kwetega, having fun, meeting friends?
Having fun, and I wanted to explain how it is. Because like seriously, I've never attended it, and I wanted to enjoy the place, And that's how it is.
What rumors do you hear about men who come to brackets and what?
I've not heard anything about them yet. Yeah, like I know nothing about the brackets and wines.
But if anyone is ready, you go.
No, I'm not searching. Yeah, I'm not searching.
You're married?
Yeah.
Where's the happy? You come to brackets and wines with the hot men. No. How do you come to brackets one where there's hot men?
I came to have fun with my friend. Yeah.
Searching.
No, we aren't searching. Yeah.
Have fun.
So far we are not.